नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण सुरू करणार आहोत टोटल डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन और पॅफिनियन डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन और पॅफियन डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. P dx plus Q dy plus R dz is equal to 0, where P, Q, R are functions of x, y, z is called as total differential equation or Pfaffian differential equations. So necessary and sufficient condition for the integrability of Pfaffian differential equation P dx plus Q dy plus R dz is equal to 0 is P into deba Q by deba z minus deba R by deba y plus Q into deba R by deba x minus deba P by deba z plus R into deba P by deba y minus deba Q by deba x is equal to 0. So we can take P, Q, R upon x, y, z. So by cross multiplying we can easily understand this condition of integrability. Now we can take the example. Consider the Pfaffian differential equation P dx plus Q dy plus R dz is equal to 0. Then the given equation is exact if deba P by deba y is equal to deba Q by deba x, comma deba Q by deba z is equal to deba R by deba y, and deba R by deba x is equal to deba P by deba z. So the first method of solution by inspection, by just these are the some formulas we can use to solve the given equations by just inspection. So show that 2x plus y square plus 2xz dx is equal to 2xy dy plus x square dz is equal to 0 is integrable. We have to solve this equation is integrable. So first compare this equation with P dx plus Q dy plus R dz is equal to 0. So what is P? P is a coefficient of dx, that is 2x plus y square plus 2 xz, and Q is nothing but it's a coefficient of dy, that is 2xy, and R is nothing but it's a coefficient of dz, that is x square. So first find out deba P by deba y. Deba P by deba y means is a derivative घ्यायचा with respect to y, x is constant and z is constant. So x constant is 2x चा derivative 0, y square चा derivative 2y, and 2xz constant is so its derivative is 0. So deba P by deba y is equal to 2y. Similarly deba P by deba z काढायचं आपल्याला, x आणि y कॉन्स्टंट येईल, x आणि y कॉन्स्टंट त्याच्यामध्ये 2x कॉन्स्टंट येईल, y स्क्वेअर कॉन्स्टंट येईल. सो डेरिव्हेटिव्ह इज 0 अँड 2x zचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 2x येईल कारण zचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1. Similarly we can calculate deba Q by deba x is equal to 2y and so on. Now condition of integrability is P into deba Q by deba z minus deba R by deba y plus Q into deba R by deba x minus deba P by deba z plus R into deba P by deba y minus deba Q by deba x is equal to 0. So this take the P. P is nothing but 2x plus y square plus 2xz into this is deba Q by deba z is 0 minus 0. Now 2xy into this is 2x minus 2x, x square into ty minus ty, that is we get this is 0. So hence the given equation is integrable. Show that the next example show that the given equation is exact. So what is the condition of exactness? Similarly we can find out the P dx, compare the above given equation with P dx plus Q dy plus R dz is equal to 0. So we get P, Q, R, and find out the deba P by deba y, deba P by deba z, and deba Q, and so on. So the condition of exactness is deba Q by deba z is equal to deba R by deba y, whether it is equal or not. Deba P by deba y is z, and deba R by deba y is again z. So deba R by deba y is again z. So we get the given equation is exact. So next example, solve the given equation y plus z into dx plus dy plus dz. Compare this equation with P dx plus Q dy plus R dz. So we get P, Q, and R. So first check whether it is integrable or not. So given equation is integrable, we can check out easily. So given equation is integrable, divide गिवन इक्वेशन बाय वाय प्लस झेड. इंटिग्रेबल आहे, त्या इक्वेशनला आपण वाय प्लस झेडने डिवाइड करू शकतो थ्रूआउट. सो वी गेट डी एक्स प्लस dy plus dz upon y plus z is equal to 0. Now this is the complete derivative of d of y plus z upon dy plus z. So integration of we get x plus log of y plus z is equal to c. So log of y plus z is equal to c minus x. So y plus z is equal to e raised to c minus x. So y plus z is equal to e raised to c into e raised to minus x. So y plus z is equal to c1 into e raised to minus x. So e raised to c we can take e raised to c as a c1. So this is a solution of given differential equation. Next example, solve the x square minus yz plus dx, x square minus yz into dx, y square minus zx into dy plus z square minus xy into dz is equal to 0. So comparing this equation with p dx plus q dy plus r dz is equal to 0. So p is equal to we get x square minus yz, q is equal to y square minus zx, and r is equal to z square minus xy. So we can take out deba p by deba r and so on, all the ratios. So we get the condition of exactness is satisfied, hence the given equation is exact. There is no need to multiply or divide the equation. If the given equation is exact, so we can just rearrange the terms. So just rearranging the terms, x square dx plus y square dy plus z square dz is equal to minus yz dx plus zx dy plus xy dz is equal to 0. And taking integration we get x cube by 3 plus y cube by 3 plus z cube by 3 minus xyz is equal to c1. Multiplying throughout by 3, so we get x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to c1. This is the required solution. Now these are some more examples you may try at home. Now this is the next method again, solution of homogeneous differential equation. If the equation p dx plus q dx dy plus r dz is equal to 0 is called homogeneous differential equation if p, q, r are the homogeneous functions. This is the first rule solution by using integrating factor. If the evaluate first px plus qy plus rz, if this is not equals to 0, then denote this as rho as a px plus qy plus rz, saying 1 upon rho is a integrating factor, multiplying given equation by 1 upon rho and find out the solutions. Rule second, if the px plus qy plus rz is equal to 0, then rule first fails. Then apply the verify the given equation is integrable or not. Then put x is equal to zu and y is equal to zv. So dx is equal to u dz plus z, dy is equal to z dv plus v dz into equations. So and rearranging the terms we get the solutions. So first example, solve the following homogeneous Pfaffian differential equation. This is, since it is a homogeneous because p is equal to z square, there it is throughout the order is 2. In the q also z square plus y to yz, there throughout the order is 2. In r is also 2y square plus y minus yz minus xz, throughout the order is 2. So this is equation is homogeneous differential equation. So first we can calculate px plus qy plus rz. So here px plus qy plus rz is equal to 0, we get 0. So put x is equal to uz and y is equal to vz. So dx is equal to u dz plus z du, dy is equal to v dz plus z vv. So putting this equation in the equation we get z square into, put the value of dx is u dz plus z du plus z square into 2 y value vz takali into z into dy value v dz plus z dv plus 2y square ची value vz आहे, so 2 into v square into z square minus vz square, y ची value टाकली vz, so v z into z that is vz square Now x value टाकली uz, so we get uz square dz is equal to 0. So this we get z cube, by rearranging we get z cube du z square minus 2 vz square z dv, in the one bracket z square u plus vz square plus minus 2v square z square plus 2v square z square vz square u minus uz square into dz is equal to 0. So here we get z cube du plus z cube 1 minus 2v dv into 0 dz is equal to 0. So dividing by z cube we get du is equal to du plus 1 minus 2v into dv is equal to 0. Now it is a variable separable form, so directly we can integrate. So we get u plus v minus v square is equal to c1. Putting the value of u and v, u is nothing but x upon z, v is nothing but y upon z. So y upon z bracket square, v square must be y upon z bracket square. So throughout multiplying by z square, so we get x plus y into z minus y square is equal to c1 z square. This is the required solution. Now next example, solve yz dx plus 2zx dy minus 3xy dz. This is a homogeneous differential equation. Now here also px plus qy plus rz is equal to 0. So we can calculate this by putting x is equal to uz and y is equal to vz. Now here another example, solve x into z minus y dx plus z into z plus x dy plus x into x plus y dz is equal to 0. Here px, this is a homogeneous Papian differential equation. Now px plus qy plus rz is equal to here xz square plus yz square plus x square z plus xyz, which is not equals to 0. So rho is 1 upon px plus qy plus rz, which is 1 upon z into z plus x into x plus y. So multiplying throughout by rho we get z into z minus y upon z into z plus x into x plus y. So and throughout multiplying by this we get, and cancelling the terms we get z now here z minus y can be written as z minus x, plus x minus x. Here we can plus x minus x, we can add and subtract x. Here dy upon x plus y plus x upon z into z by z plus x dz. Here this can be written as by partial fraction 1 upon x plus y minus 1 upon z plus x dx plus dy into x plus y plus in the bracket of 1 upon z minus 1 upon z plus x dz is equal to 0. So this is a perfect square of dx upon dy, dx plus dy upon x plus y minus dx plus dz upon z plus x upon dz upon z. So integrating we get integration log of x plus y minus log of z plus x plus log z is equal to log c1. So this solving we get x plus y into z is equal to c1 plus z plus x, which is the required solution.